Herewith, I am going to discuss about the type of switches.
Single pole, single throw switch. Pole is the part of the switch where the switch blade is hinged. The contact element is the throw at the moment the circuit is open because the switch isn't closed. If we close the switch, it looks like this. So let's connect this into a simple circuit and make it work. We need a negative supply line. The positive supply can go into the switch and we will say it's 12 volts. And at the output of the switch, we will collect an ordinary filament bulb at the moment the switch is open, there is no current flowing through it. You have got a complete circuit from positive to negative, 3 electrons to flow. So if we close the switch, the current flows from a positive terminal through the switch through the filament gets hot because the electrons are flowing through it at a vast rate. It glows while hot, so it is lights up and it stays the way until the switch is open. Again, the switch closes the current flow and the lights up. Open the switch and light goes out. Single pole double throw switch. It is just a development of the single pole single throw switch. Through we have now got contacts, so we can select which of the two outputs the voltage goes to, either the top circuit or the bottom. We could go to several lights, say a red light or a green LED, or completely different circuits. Some single pole double throw switches have a sensor of position so that no current goes anywhere. And then the next is a double pole single throw switch. Is just two single pole single throw switch is linked together. The dotted line here shows that the two blades are so where one switch is open, so is the other, and the other two close together. This type of switch is generally used when switching in AC, where you need both sides of the circuit to be switched on or off together. Here are the parts of relay: spring, armature, common, electromagnet. As soon as the electromagnet is energized, it pushes the armature towards it and the switching occurs. By default, it is set normally connected. When the coil is energized, it moves to normally open. When we connect loads to relay, this is how the switching occurs. When the coil is energized, the armature moves from normally open to normally closed. This is how the loads are switched. There are three types of relays are single pole double throw, and then double pole double throw. The first is single pole single throw. It's quite a simple mechanism. It has a single pole and single armature. When the coil is energized, it pushes the armature and the load is switched. And then we have single pole double throw. It has two pole and has two loads. And finally, we have double pole double throw. It has two armatures and four contacts connecting four loads with the relay.